My esteemed brother and sister judges, Learned Advocate General, Additional Advocate General of Kerala, Learned Deputy Solicitor General of India in charge, President of Bar Council, Bar Association, Chairman of Bar Council of Kerala, President of Kerala High Court Senior Advocate Association, President of Kerala High Court Advocate Association, President of Kerala Federation of Women's Lawyers, law officers of the central and state government, respected senior advocates, members of the bar, Registrar General and other registrars of this court, President and members of Advocate Clerks Association, ladies and gentlemen. We have assembled here today in solemn remembrance of the tragic landslide that devastated Churamala and Mundakkai areas near Mapadi in Wayanad district of Kerala in the wee hours on Tuesday, the 30th July, taking numerous lives and leaving behind a trail of destruction and grief. On this occasion, I place on record our collective expression of sorrow and solidarity with the families of the victims and survivors and the entire community affected by this natural disaster. Today, as we pay homage to the victims, we acknowledge the unfathomed loss experienced by their families and friends. Each life lost represents a unique story, a beloved member of a family, a cherished friend, and a vital being of the community. Our hearts goes out to those who are grieving, and we offer our deepest condolence and unwavering support. We also extend our gratitude to the brave men and women who respond to the disaster with the courage and determination. The rescue workers, which include the entire rescue machinery of the state government, military officials, and other rescue teams of the central government, medical professionals, volunteers, and local authorities who worked tirelessly in the face of adversity, demonstrated the best of humanity. Their efforts, often at a great personal risk, saved lives and brought comfort to those who in distress. In honoring the memory of those we have lost, let us commit ourselves to foster a safer and more resilient future. Our tribute to the victims must go beyond words. It must be reflected in our actions and policies. By doing so, we ensure that their memories are preserved and their loss serves as a catalyst for positive change. May the departed souls rest in peace, and may their families find strength and solace in the outpouring support from across the nation. May we all find the strength to heal, the wisdom to learn, and determination to build a better and safe future.
The Acting Chief Justice of High Court of Kerala, Mr. Justice A. Muhammad Mustaq, Honorable Judges of the High Court of Kerala, esteemed fellow members of the bar, other dignitaries present, friends, ladies and gentlemen. A horrendous night of gushing muddied waters and moving earth devastatingly unsettled the lives of many at Churamala and Mundakkai of Wayanad, and tragically ended the lives of scores therein. The fury of nature saw 2 villages being wiped away, along with the dreams and reserves of its residents. The imageries now emanating from the otherwise picturesque locales are that of ruin and despair. The death toll has reached 299, and it is still counting. That this honorable court is holding such an unprecedented reference itself speaks for the enormity of the catastrophe. As is always in such crises, Kerala in unison rushed to help of their brethren in distress. The state government, with the assistance and support of the center, is doing everything conceivable to rescue the trapped and retrieve the mortal remains of the departed. Be it the defense personnel or the state police or the disaster response teams or medics and paramedics or civil volunteers, everybody is putting in gallant efforts to assuage the effects of tragedy. The entire legal community, inclusive of the bar, the bench and the advocate clerk, has as always risen to the occasion and has to the best of our abilities supported and participated in the relief measures. The continued and unwavering tangible support of one and all is required to rebuild and rehabilitate the lives of those affected. The residents of our state have together effectively tided over such calamities in the recent past, be it the floods of 2018 and 2019 or the pandemic that raged on for 2 years. I am sure that this juncture will also be no different. That is the spirit of resilience of our state. I wholeheartedly salute the selfless service of all those who are tirelessly engaged up there in the hill in the rescue mission. I join the grief of those who are at the relief camps and those who have lost their dear and near ones. I pay homage to those who have lost their lives in the disaster. I remain.
Honorable Acting Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Muhammad Mushtaq, Judges of this Honorable Court, former Judges of this Honorable Court, Advocate General, Senior Advocate Sri K. Gopalakrishna Kurup, Director General of Prosecution, Deputy Solicitor General of India in charge, Chairman Bar Council of Kerala, State Attorney, Senior Counsel Government of India Taxes, President Senior Advocates Association, President Kerala Federation of Human Lawyers, Secretary of the Rule Committee, Secretary and the Executive Committee members of the Kerala High Court Association, respected senior advocates, the Registrar General, Registrar and staff of this court, law officers of the state and central government, advocate clerks, and my colleagues at the bar, and my brothers and sisters. We have assembled here to express our solidarity to our brothers and sisters in Wayanad, who are the victims of one of the worst natural disasters that has ever hit God's own country. We lost almost 300 lives, and we dread more loss. What is lost forever. But we want to let those who have survived the mishap know that they are not orphaned, and that we are with you, and that we will do our best to get you back on your feet. It's a destiny that I speak today as myself. I am a survivor of a natural calamity, the disastrous floods that hit our state in 2018. I personally can relate with each and every person who has survived this gruesome tragedy. The constant environmental exploitation by humankind has resulted in nature retaliating brutally. These mishaps are eye-openers to us. Let us respect and protect the nature and contribute consciously to retain its balance. A full court reference for the natural calamity is for the first time in the history of this Honorable Court. This reference is a noble and thoughtful gesture of the legal fraternity to assure and reassure our brothers and sisters who have lost their kith and kin that we are there for them as family to help them rebuild their lives and go ahead in life. Jai Hind.
As a mark of respect to the departed souls, we shall now stand in silence for 2 minutes. The registry shall place on record the concern of the bar and the bench on the unfathomable loss of lives and property in one of the largest natural disasters that state has ever encountered in the form of spate of landslides in the Wayanad district on 30/7/2024. The solidarity with the survivors of the tragedy shall stand recorded. The judicial work of the High Court shall stand suspended till 10:30 a.m. today.